Light up the night. English night greetings. Hello learners. Welcome back to another episode of our English language learning series. Today, we are focusing on a topic that comes alive when the sun goes down. Night greetings. These are the phrases and expressions that you can use to start or end conversations during the night time. It's a simple but essential part of conversational English. So, let's dive right into it. Firstly, it's important to understand what we mean by night greetings. These are common expressions or phrases that we use to greet each other during the late hours. This typically starts from sundown and goes up till the time you go to bed. These greetings are often a way to acknowledge the time of day and the context in which the conversation is taking place. Now that we understand what night greetings are, let's look at some of the most common ones. 1. Good evening. This is a formal way to greet people after sunset and before bedtime. You can use it in both formal and informal situations. 2. Have a good night. Typically, this is used when you're parting ways for the day. It's a warm way to wish someone a pleasant night. 3. Night, or good night. This is an informal and shortened version of have a good night. It's often used among friends and family. Now, let's see how we can use these greetings in sentences. 1. Good evening, Mr. Smith. How was your day? This is an example of using good evening to start a conversation. 2. It was nice meeting you, Jane. Have a good night. Here, have a good night is used to end a conversation in a pleasant way. 3. I'm off to bed now. Good night, everyone. This is an example of how good night is often used among friends and family before going to sleep. So, there you have it. Some of the most common night greetings used in English. Remember, using time-specific greetings like these not only helps you sound more natural in English, but also helps set the tone for your conversations. I hope you found this lesson useful, and as always, have a good night and happy learning.